Hi, welcome to this video on how to cancel your Whop membership. To cancel your Whop membership for any program, first, go to whop.com and log in. Once logged in, click your name ID on the top right-hand side, then click Hub. This will direct you to a page listing your current subscriptions. As you can see on the screen, here are your current membership programs. To cancel one, on the bottom left-hand side where your ID is, click on it. Then select Manage Membership. It will direct you to a page where you can manage your subscription or membership for your chosen program. As you can see, there is a list of different options. For the sake of this tutorial on how to cancel a membership on Whop, we will click the option at the bottom that says Cancel Membership. Click that. Once you do, it will ask you for the reason you want to cancel. If you want, you can choose from these options. I chose Others and provided the explanation that I no longer need it. Then click Cancel. It will give you the option to remain in the membership or confirm the cancellation. I chose to cancel it. Click Cancel. And that's how you cancel a membership or subscription on Whop. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.